Hello and welcome to the Budget Modeler. This is my first video and I'm going to be looking at a selection of tools I use, where I got them from and how much they cost me. Firstly, let's look at snips, or side cutters as some people call them. I have two types. On the left is a cheap £3 pair from Wish, including shipping. Okay, so you have to wait a week or so for them, but they're a decent set and do the job. I tend to use them for cutting wire. On the right is a pair of U-Star side cutters number 91350. They cost me just over 10 quid from eBay. These are a fantastic buy, cut through plastic so well. This is where I don't mind spending a few extra quid to get decent tools. Next we have Scalpels. You can get these for a couple of quid. I prefer the completely metal ones, as I find that when cutting PE they don't bend like the plastic ones. As you can see, the plastic one is a bit with a light blue end on it. Now we come to files. As you can see, I use homemade files. These are made with cocktail sticks and coffee stirrers and different types of foam. The stirrers you can get from most fast food places, but please ask, they usually say yes. The two types of foam I use are the sort that comes out of old cushions, but check if you can use it first. And the second type is a dense type of foam that is used for transporting laptops and computers. With this foam it helps to mould itself around the edges of seam lines. Now we have tweezers. Again, another purchase from Wish and another great buy. Set of 6 tweezers for only £4 including shipping. Finally, my third hand. This £10 vise is such a great help when you need another hand to help with things. The vise head moves so you can get that angle right, and it can attach to the edge of your bench so you can pop it on or off whenever you need it. There you go. That was my basic tool setup. There are other things that we can look at, but we'll get onto those at a later date. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, then give it a thumbs down. Also, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified of the next tutorial, which hopefully will be next Sunday at 7 PM. So take care and stay safe out there.